How does the magical Nanny Mary Poppins usually make her grand entrance? Riding a carousel horse, floating with an umbrella, flying on a broomstick, jumping through a chimney. The correct answer is floating with an umbrella. If you have a friend who spends all their free time meticulously collecting and studying rare coins, what is the official title for their hobby? Philatelist, numismatist, cartographer, vexillologist. The correct answer is numismatist. Which element is essential for building bridges, muscles, and blood? Iron, gold, silver, copper. The correct answer is iron. You might see it sparkling on an engagement ring, but what is officially ranked as the absolute hardest naturally occurring mineral on planet Earth? Quartz, topaz, diamond, corundum. The correct answer is diamond. In Greek mythology, the Titan Prometheus was punished by Zeus. Which famous painter captured this intense scene in the masterpiece Prometheus Bound? Michelangelo, Peter Paul Rubens, Leonardo da Vinci, Raphael. The correct answer is Peter Paul Rubens. What is the process called when a gas changes directly into a solid? Evaporation, deposition, sublimation, condensatio. The correct answer is deposition. Dmitri Mendeleev might have predicted it would exist, but which French scientist is actually credited with discovering the chemical element gallium?
Marie Curie, Louis Pasteur, Paul-Émile Lecoq de Boisbaudran, Antoine Lavoisier. The correct answer is Paul-Émile Lecoq de Boisbaudran.
In which famous tale would you meet the twins Tweedledum and Tweedledee? Peter Pan, Alice Through the Looking Glass, The Wizard of Oz, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. The correct answer is Alice Through the Looking Glass. What physical property of an object allows it to float in water? Gravity, density, buoyancy, pressure. The correct answer is buoyancy. The incredible true story of the 1980 United States Olympic hockey team defeating the heavily favored Soviet Union was famously captured in which sports movie? Rocky, Miracle, Chariots of Fire, The Mighty Ducks. The correct answer is Miracle. Tom Cruise has been hanging off airplanes and scaling skyscrapers for decades, but who directed the very first Mission Impossible movie back in 1996? Steven Spielberg, Brian De Palma, James Cameron, Ridley Scott. The correct answer is Brian De Palma. Which French sauce is made from a white roux and milk?
Béchamel, hollandaise, velouté, espagnol. The correct answer is béchamel.
Which city contains the largest underground shopping complex in the world? Tokyo, Montreal, Toronto, Seoul. The correct answer is Toronto. Which castle, originally built by William the Conqueror in the 11th century, is one of the most famous castles in the world? Windsor Castle, Edinburgh Castle, Tower of London, Warwick Castle. The correct answer is Windsor Castle. Which author warned us about Big Brother and the terrifying future of surveillance in 1984? George Orwell, Aldous Huxley, Ray Bradbury, J.R.R. Tolkien. The correct answer is George Orwell.